tiny. This can fit anywhere, and oh my gosh, that is good. Yeah, no more excuses. Don't get me wrong, on this channel we also do a lot of gardening and spending time in the backyard, which is really good for the soul as well. But some days are rainy and hot and all the things, so here's another option. Definitely easy to move. It has wheels, I can feel them. I'm 5 feet tall, so if I can do this, you probably can too. So there's a little bag. All right, let's move this out of the way. So here's a cord in the bag. Then we've got instructions that I need to go through, the remote, and I'm assuming this is for the wheels and to make something tighter. Zoe! Zoe, please. What is wrong with you? I already fed you. I gave you treats. I gave you everything. Wow. You're like you saying wow like a little kid. My friend's going to be so excited to see me. I told her I was going to make a video, and she's probably going to be so happy that I'm so excited. But I truly am. These little things are for the bottom. So this part at the bottom has wheels, and this over here has those little stand things. Time, distance, calorie, speed. Here's the sofas and the TV. So I think right here would be a perfect spot for me to work out. It would be nice if I could work out this way. As I come out from my bedroom in the mornings, I can have this set up if I want to. Remember, this is very mobile. So I have a desk that I had gotten on another birthday from my in-laws. And so it happened to fit well with the run. It wasn't meant for that because let me show you. I have the RunW1 Max, and there are different setups that you can get from the same company. Now, I'm not promoting this company. I don't know them very well. This is my first experience with them. So far, so good. You know, they've got all their info in here, and I like the ease of how this works out. They've even given you ideas of other exercises that you could do. And I do have a yoga mat, so I pretty much feel complete with the setup. The only thing I didn't love is that the extension cord isn't very long. So that means that I had to like find an extension cord. Easy solution. I didn't love that it didn't have an incline, but hey, this is a gift, and this is going to take me away from my excuses and going to get me my steps in. And I have a beautiful setup, so I'm more than grateful for this. But some of the other options have fancier things, and they do have inclines. So the view that I have is pretty darn great, and it's pretty nice, right? And I can move it around so easily if I want to. I mean, if I want to go to the other side of the house over here where I have a desk, then I can also work out here and just have more privacy if I want to. Could possibly even lean it somewhere else or put it under my bed. In addition to all this, I have a kettlebell, which is really good because you can do all kinds of exercises like this and all kinds of things. I'm not your fitness guru. Look stuff up, right, on YouTube or whatever, but I do have little weights, and I can get more of those to do things at home. And I have this little gadget that I think you could use for your arms or for your inner thighs. And really, excuses are a dime a dozen. Like my brother-in-law says, excuses are like a-holes. Everybody has one. This model comes with a super simple remote. I also like the idea of having the desk here because I can hang the remote, because I'm not really good at keeping up with remotes. So maybe you want to put Velcro and make sure that it goes there if you don't have a desk or something like this. And other brands have an insert where you can put it in there. So that's another thought you could consider. That says 30. You can make it more. 31, 30. Okay. And then this goes. Oh yeah, there it goes. Okay. 3.8. How to stop is just the stop button. There's not many buttons to mess with. I have my house shoes. So this is not very professional. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Ooh. Okay. So I think I need to increase. Let's see how fast I can go. Okay, that's 1. 1.1. I'm going to keep going. 1.7, 1.8, 2. Okay. Definitely not equipped or ready to do exercise, but hey, why not? Anytime you can walk. I mean, like, there's actually a lot that can be done in this little space. Let's go faster. 2.9, 3. Oh, yeah. This is good. This is good, Prince. Ooh, this is good. That's the maximum, but that's great. That's like speed walking. Okay, slowed it down. Oh, this is great. This is awesome. This video isn't about the review of this particular walking pad. I will put the link in the description below. I will also share my friend's walking pad so you can look at whatever it is that might work for you. But really, I wanted to share the idea that you can work out at home, even in a small space, something that could be easy to move and not super intimidating. I do have one more thing to show you that I use, that I also have it in the back porch, that is kind of fun and also easy. I'm not in the best shape of my life, but who cares? I'm enjoying
Let me show
movement.
it to you.
So I've already had this, and this is great for the lymphatic system to make sure you have good circulation. I mean, I have it right here with my plants out the view to a nice view, right? To the garden or whatever. So no excuses, right at home. I've got 2 pieces of equipment that I can use. Listen, as I'm getting older, I really understand the power of being healthy, because health is one of those things that we have to have in order to continue enjoying our home, in order to be able to be mobile and go up and down the stairs, in order to continue to, do backyard shenanigans and gardening and all the things. I don't want to feel obligated to belong to a gym, so this is a great solution. So tell me, would this be a good setup for yourself, or what kind of setup do you have at home? What kind of systems and what kind of solutions do you have so that you stay strong and healthy and you can enjoy your home and feel that bliss that I talk about all the time that you can create at home and in your life? I would love to know that in the comments below. My next video idea is to show you some of the splurges that I have made for my home that have been such game changers for when we have company over. So they're not only fun for us, my husband and I, as empty nesters, but it's also awesome when people come over and visit us and they feel like, oh, this is so nice. As always, remember that you can create bliss at home and in your life.